Smallbag Theatre is turning 25. To celebrate, we are hosting an international theatre festival. We plan to have artists from around the world come and join us in Vanuatu to perform around Port Vila and at One Smallbag House.
Community-based organization which is based here in Soweto. Soweto is the biggest township here in South Africa. It is a township that is known of the youth who fought against apartheid. It's a home where young artists come together and create productions, theatre productions, be it educational, mainstream, industrial theatre.
Sapo Moloi, you are sentenced.
Our educational theatre show addresses issues like HIV, TB, substance abuse, drug abuse, and disability at workplaces.
I'm involved in a show that we have started 3 years ago called The System, that will be visiting Vanuatu. And the thing is that if we get the opportunity to go there, that would be the biggest thing that would ever happen to my life. As I have went to Scotland Fringe Festival, so going to Vanuatu, it will be escalating and putting my profile on a high state when it comes to the industry, because it will open doors for me coming back to my country from there.
Going to Vanuatu will benefit me a lot because it will give me an international experience. I will be able to understand other people's craft, how they approach their art.
Good morning. This is Mzansi South African News at 8. In our top stories this morning, 3 men between the age of 25 and 35 escaped from City of the Sun prison in the early hours of the morning.
It's an opportunity because we are going to learn a lot in Vanuatu. Not only their craft, but their style of living. As you see here in South Africa, we've got our own style of how we survive. So in Vanuatu, all those things we are going to learn, and it's going to be a privilege.
From one simple life to reality, intended by chasing. No more problems, no sabe find them more. It's like a space from you want handicap, black or white man. It's in any place from